The Gandhigram Rural Institute, deemed to be university, celebrates 74th Independence Day in the glorious campus. The staff members are participated in the Independence Day celebration. Dr. B. Subburaj, Vice Chancellor in charge, hosted the national flag and delivered the Independence Day message.
May I have the pleasure of inviting Dr. K. Subburaj, Vice Chancellor in charge, to deliver the 74th Independence Day message.
Good morning, everybody. Respected Registrar, honorable members of our Board of Management, respected Deans, Head of the Departments, Directors, Professors, and dear learned colleagues, dear technical and non-technical members of our institute, brothers and sisters, and my dear students. At the outset, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today, we remember with a deep sense of gratitude to our freedom fighters and leaders who have sacrificed their lives and soul for our well-being. Our country attained independence 73 years ago. The political freedom won by our country and the birth of Gandhigram are closely related. Inspired by the features of rural development educational models of Mahatma Gandhi and Sevagram, our founders, Dr. G. Ramachandran, our beloved Mama, and Dr. Saundram Ramachandran, our beloved Amma, who were the ardent disciples of Mahatma Gandhi, carved out our institute in the year 1956 with the mission and objective of creating, developing human resources capable of professionally managing and addressing the issues pertaining to rural development through teaching, research, and extension. Many of us today may not be knowing that prior to attaining the status of deemed university status in the year 1976, the institute had offered only one undergraduate program, namely DRS, Diploma in Rural Services, and a PG program, namely Master in Community Development, and only two diploma programs, one in agriculture and another one in sanitation and public health. The most important feature of these programs were that every student who undergoes these programs were taught a galaxy of subjects, which include human values, ethics, public administration and governance, including Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, about the society and the developments, rural economics, cottage and small-scale industries, life sciences, including physics, chemistry, mathematics, applied research and statistics, and 3 languages, the regional, the national, and the international levels, and the drama, sports, yoga, and the like. Enabling the students for holistic development. This is very important, holistic development. Besides empowering with a special skill and knowledge on the subjects he or she has interest. I am happy to state that after a time span of 3 decades, the present national educational policy seems to reflect our educational model. I feel proud to again say that our institute has got deemed university status in the year 1976 for its unique educational expertise and has grown today as one of the national level premier institutions of higher education. You are aware that our institute has 8 schools comprising 16 departments, 12 centers, and offers 26 PG programs, including post-diploma programs, 12 UG programs, 9 professional programs, and skill-based programs through formal mode, besides MPhil, PhD, each one specializing on rural issues and problems. Over the years, the institute has brought a significant level of socio-economic, cultural, and behavioral impact among the rural communities through policy implications and action-oriented research. Unlike other universities established by the government or the private sector, our institute was a community-contributed institution. Inspired by Acharya Vinoba Bhava Bhumidan program, farmers in the nearby villages had gifted over 200 acres of land to our institute during 1950s. Initially, both our teachers and students visited nearby villages every day in the afternoon and educated the people. In the process, the village community served as our first classroom. The village leaders remained our practical teachers. Our village-based learning, community service gave Gandhigram and Gandhigram Rural Institute a brand name in Tamil Nadu and the globe. Gandhigram's mission emphasizes discipline, simplicity, Sramadan, namely dignity of labor, social values, economy, and offers a judicious blend of knowledge with the values and social concern for the poor. Therefore, the employers, both government and corporates, prefer our students over others for their recruitment. The new educational policy announced by Government of India today, last week, aims at transforming India sustainably into an equitable, inclusive, vibrant knowledge society. In our institute, you know that more than 80% of our students are from rural area. 50% of our students are women. Nearly 27% of students are from socially disadvantaged segments. And more than 70% of rural students are from first generation learners. Both our students and teachers are immersed in villages and engage the community every year. They learn from people, gram panchayats, self-help groups, schools, cooperatives, civil organizations. They develop corporate responsibility, social values, and pro-poor attitude. Besides higher education, Gandhigram is the one of the very few institutions which begins with Balwadi education, which offers remedial education for school dropouts, vocational skill education for final year students, and training youth on entrepreneurial skill development. Several national level assessment and accreditation agencies have awarded higher scores and ranks for our rural centered curriculum, people's issue-based research, and immersion of students and teachers in grassroots realities. Our Prime Minister has said that 2 cornerstones of national education policy are employability, and vocational education. GRA has introduced many more vocational schemes-based programs with contemporary relevance and greater livelihood assurance. The Institute has been taking efforts to design its academic programs in tune with the demands of the society and industry by providing a learner-centric, transparent, and evaluation methods. Today, we are in the situation that COVID-19 has challenged our conventional educational scenario. Instead of learning from the community, we are forced to sit before the computers. Classroom teaching is being gradually replaced by computer and telecommunications, teleconferences. Instead of learning from teachers and community, students turn to laptops and mobile phones. We are slowly but steadily moving from teacher dependence to technology dependence and discussion-based education to digital learning. To fight against the pandemic situations, the University Grants Commission has instructed that the teaching learning process should be online mode for the current academic year. In this regard, I humbly make an appeal to all our faculty members that there will be difficulties with online teaching, but please bear with it and do your level best for the best of your satisfaction. Also, I make an appeal to all our students to actively participate in our teaching, research, and extension activities for the benefit of your good self, students' good self, and career excellence. Let us all join together to take our institution to the great heights by adaptation and perfecting ourselves in line to the changed macro-environment forces of the nation and the globe. Let us all join together and design academic programs, both regular and integrated, focusing on knowledge and skill building with greater employability and more livelihood friendly. Let us take both scientific and development research that address rural problems directly with a policy-friendly outcome and potential for action plan. Let us create development models addressing socio-economic frontiers of our country, particularly rural community, through application of modern science and technology. I thank one and all and wish you to be a worthy citizen of our country. May God bless you. Jai Hind.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे